Mana kamano nyako Ramogi wang'ado kendo wadhi achiel kachiel nyaka State House ma Nairobi kama tim mar Harambee Stars obagne gi nyasi mar migago mar odiochieng' gi jatend piny William Ruto.
Really special from the players and from the fans, hopefully that we can continue on the good part and do well and make the country proud. So thank you so much for everything. Bye.
I think a bigger clap for McCarthy, Benny McCarthy. Next, would like to hear from FKF President Hussein Mohammed to just give some brief remarks. Tumkaribishe pia kwa makofi. Karibu sana.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, Cabinet Secretary for Sports, Creative Economy and Youth Affairs, Cabinet Salim Mvurya, all government dignitaries, members of the private sector, Harambee Stars, FKF, Kenya Premier League teams, NSL teams, and all dignitaries. Assalamu alaikum. Mine, Your Excellency, is very brief. First is to thank everybody in this room for whatever role you played in supporting our national team. Some of you came to the stadiums in large numbers, supported the team in various ways, and we appreciate